around you, they're not gray. It's in your head, this lack of color.